Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Farhan and I'll be telling you about Prophet Hud alayhi salam, lesson 18. Prophet Hud alayhi salam was the great grandson of Prophet Noah alayhi salam. He was sent to the people of Ad, and the people of Ad were very rich and powerful. Allah had made them the strongest people of that time. They used to worship idols. Prophet Hud alayhi salam told his people that there is only one God. Allah, he tried to make them by saying you shouldn't worship the one God, Allah, and not the idols that you made with your own hands. You were made by Allah, and you should be thankful to Him. Over many years, He tried to make them listen, and He kept on telling them about Allah's message, but they wouldn't listen. And then they said to Prophet Hud alayhi salam, "Are you telling us that after we die and turn into dust, we will be brought back to the life again?" Yes, on the day of judgment, all you will be asked about your actions in life. Prophet Muhammad replied. They laughed at him and made fun of him. Many years passed, and they still did not listen to the message given to them by Prophet Muhammad. After many years of telling his people to worship Allah, but Prophet Hud warned his people of Allah's punishment. All people ask for forgiveness and change, or else the punishment of Allah will destroy you, and none of you will survive, said Prophet Hud. But the people did not care about what Prophet Hud said to them. They just ignored his words and carried on disobeying Allah. It had not rained for a very long time, so people did not have enough water to drink, and they didn't have water to grow the crops, and they had no vegetables to grow and fruits. One day there was dark clouds in the sky. They got happy to see the clouds. Look at the clouds. The rain will finally come to help us in this difficult time, said the people. But Prophet Hud warned them this was a punishment of Allah, and his people made fun of him and did not believe what he was saying. As the dark clouds began to come near, they also brought fast and furious wind with them. There was a storm. The storm was so strong that it ripped out the trees from the ground and brought down all the tall buildings that were made by people of Ad. This was so powerful that it destroyed everything. The next morning, when the wind was stopped, there's nothing left. The people of Ad were killed by this powerful storm, and they were buried under the sand forever. Halafis.